Hey, real estate agents. Have you ever had an investor ask, "What's a DSCR loan?" And for a second you froze like they asked for the square root of 937? Don't worry. Today I will explain DSCR loans, super simple, super clear, and a little funny, and very professional. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. It's how lenders measure whether the property pays for itself. Think of it like this. If the property can pay its own mortgage payment, congratulations, it's officially an adult now. How DSCR is calculated? Here's the formula. Rental income divided by the total monthly mortgage payment. Let's put an example. If the property brings $2,000 in rent and the payment is $1,800, the DSCR is 1.11. That means the property not only pays for itself, but also leaves a little extra. Kind of like the tenant who brings also snacks at the table. Why investors love DSCR? Investors love DSCR loans because no tax returns, no W-2s, no employment verification, and a fast approval. And they work great for Airbnbs, VRBOs, and long-term rentals. If the property cash flows, everyone is happy. If it doesn't, that's when investors start texting you at 2 a.m., so let's avoid that. And how can you explain this to a client? Here's your perfect script. With DSCR loans, the lender qualifies the property, not the borrower. If the rental income covers the mortgage payment, you can buy more properties even if your tax returns show low income. This helps you close more deals, help investors scale faster, and look like the expert in the room. DSCR loans work for single-family homes, townhomes, condos, new construction, short-term rentals like Airbnbs, condotels, and non-warrantable condos, depending on the lender. If the property produces income, there's probably a DSCR option for it. Typical requirements include 20 to 25% down, a credit score at least as low as 600 or higher. A higher DSCR means a better interest rate. A lower DSCR means a higher rate, but the deal can still work. What documents are needed for the DSCR program? A lease agreement or market rent schedule that comes from the appraiser, IDs, and LLC documents if applicable. And that's basically it. No financial gymnastics here. Here's the DSCR in one sentence. If the property pays the mortgage, the lender is happy. If it almost pays for the mortgage, the lender is still kind of happy. If it pays nothing, now we need to talk. Realtors, if you want to help your investors close fast, close easy, and close more often, let's work together. I offer fast DSCR approvals, direct communication, and investor loan solutions, and support for every loan scenario. I'm Jeff, your mortgage specialist. Send me your investor, DM me, call me, and let's close your next deal together. Have a blessed day.